Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to replace or remove left shortcut in your phone lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. I lock my screen, and in the locked screen I can see uh, an icon here in the left side. Okay, this is called call button icon, and if you swipe on it, it will ask your pattern unlock pattern, and then it will go to directly the dialer. Okay, so if you would like to remove the shortcut or replace the shortcut, as you can do it, what you have to do, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, and here you will find edit lock screen option. Just click on it, and here in the left side you will see this button. Just click on it, and if you would like to completely remove, click on no app, so that this app will not be shown here. Suppose if you would like to replace it with another one, as you can do it, just you can select another one. Here I have selected torch, and I go to the done now, and yes, finally it is saved. Now go to the lock screen. I lock my screen, and see here torch is replaced for that calls icon. Okay, so in this way you can easily replace or remove left shortcut for lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.